There's an interesting movie I believe everybody should watch. It's called White Noise. Take note of the name of the town, Palestine, Ohio, in that movie. And take note, we're one of the worst chemical spills now known to man, especially in the history of the United States, took place. East Palestine, Ohio. Take note also, East Palestine, Ohio is number 3 distributor of heirloom seeds in the United States. They're attacking the food source. And they told you they were going to do it in a movie. Just 1 year later, it happened.